This is it, Daryl. One lap to go, and Lightning McQueen has a huge lead.
Oh, he's got it in the bag. Call in the dogs, put out the fire. We're gonna crown us a new champion. Checkered flag, here I come. Oh, no! McQueen is blowing tires!
And with only one turn to go, can he make it? You fool!
Wait for tires! Wait for tires! Go, 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 go! He's lost another tire! The King and Checker's coming up fast!
They're entering turn 3.
Come on. I don't believe what I'm watching, Bob! Lightning McQueen is 100 feet from his piston cup!
The King and Chick rounding turn 4.
They're down the stretch, they come, and
It's too close to call.
don't
Too
believe it.
close
I
to
don't believe
call. The most spectacular, amazing, unequivocally unbelievable ending in the history of the world. And we don't even know who won.
Hey, no cameras! Get